everybody has thin skin in their lower eyelids. If you want to try the pinch or snap test, first, put a good moisturizer on so you can give your skin its best chance of having the most hydration so you can get a really good sense of what's going on in that area. So if your well-hydrated skin snaps back slowly or pinches and doesn't go back right away, that means that there's collagen breakdown. We don't just wonder about dehydration because that's easy to fix. But if you have a slow snap in well-hydrated skin or a slow pinch back in well-hydrated skin, that means that you either genetically or from stressors or rubbing or sun exposures or other issues, you've got breakdown of collagen in that area. So ingredients to look for in that case are things like peptides and retinol that are going to help rebuild and protect that collagen. And definitely whatever you do, don't rub or be harsh. Always use your third finger and gently pat products on. So whether you have good skin, bad skin, good pinch, slow pinch back or snap back, take care of your eyelid skin. It's thin, it's delicate, and it needs great care.